That's gonna be an issue. That is gonna be an issue, but welcome to the Bronx. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. What's a video without wavy magic? Okay. Ooh, that Uncle Nearest. It's hot. The reason for this vid is, and it's gonna be a quick joint, we just gonna do this little unboxing, and then we're gonna, no we're not, I'm gonna talk for a little while. What? Hey, shout out to y'all, man, for rocking with me. I always say this at the end of my joint, and I know I always say it, but I really mean it, yo. Thank y'all. And to show my thanks, I want y'all to hit that like button for y'all, man. It's for y'all. Hit that like button for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Damn, man, like yourself on that button.
You think I'm stupid?
Nah, but anyway, yo, I got this pickup. Let me do some magic for that. Don't know if that looked good.
No.
I bet, yo, I got this box in from Cincinnati Soul. Shout out to Cincinnati Soul. I've had it for about a week, and homie was, you know, he's been patient with me about opening my box that I put. Never mind, it's not patient. But you know how like you cop something for somebody and you think like the only reason they followed you is just because they went, nah, just like, nah, this is totally the opposite that I think. Nah. Good customer service, and homie was cool. What happened was, damn, man. Okay, and like then what happened was, I've been eyeing these sneaks for a while now. Didn't want to get them for retail. It seems like this whole line, I have not got them for retail. I mean, not for retail, what the f?
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
I've not got them DS, and I didn't want to pay the StockX price. It was cool, but yo, this price right here.
I tell you what's up.
I told y'all that I was gonna get these joints, man, and I did come through. But yo, shout out to them, man. I hit them up. They was on eBay, and I didn't want to hit them up through eBay because I remember one time I hit some cat up and they hit me with a strike. They said you can't hit somebody up and be like, yo, PP, you know, all that. So I found boy on Instagram and he hit me right back. So yo, shout out to you, boy.
Don't call me a boy, please.
Another sneaker from the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Nah, just like, I don't, whatever. Everybody knows it's John Starks, you know what I'm saying? Stephon Marvin, word. Nah, that's my man though. But yeah, boom, got the LeBron Elites, size 10, bam. You can already see from up in there. Varsity Maze, white, blacks. Y'all know how to read?
No.
Let's see. Boy said they were 8 out of 10. Okay. Okay. Check them out. Check them out. Here go the left pair. I'm looking at it. Boom, here they go. The reason I wanted these is, like I said, I saw LeBron dismantle my Knicks.
They ain't hard to be in here.
Not that it's hard to do, but I did witness him dismantle them from like, I was in like the nosebleed section, yeah, word. Hell yeah. So I got these joints, let me switch it up right quick, check them out. I'm not gonna do no review. Only thing I'm trying to do is put that on feet, you know what I'm saying? The reason why it took me a long time to do this unboxing is, I don't know, I gotta really be feeling it, or I gotta really pause, or I gotta be sipping, cause you know me, I like to get that dancing machine thing going on. These joints look good, 8 out of 10, hell yeah. I'm cool with it. So you know me, boy, put that foot powder in them, do something with the laces and we good. Oh, yo, so, okay, damn, so it came with the receipt. Rock me to sleep a little bit. There goes Cincinnati Soul right there. You can hit them up on eBay, or you can hit them up at Cincinnati Soul. Man, I got a lot of ideas with these joints. You remember those joints from Effectus? Boom, this Effectus joint that I got the other week, the Ferrari and stuff? Yeah, I could definitely do my thing with them with this. But yo, let me know, give me some ideas. But I think that these are probably gonna be the first pair of LeBrons that I got like out of like the South Beaches. These probably gonna be the first pair that I rock, or like right away. I can see these getting rocked in like the next, let's say 3 weeks at the most, you know? But yeah, man, nah, I like these. Check them out though, man. Look at the quality. And homeboy got some good prices too. The other joints, man, some good prices. Man, let me tell you, I'm just gonna say, man, I paid $120 for these, yo. Shout out to him. He would have taken $120. He was like, yo, what about $125? So me, with all the bullshit that I've witnessed through OfferUp and the lowballing, I said, let me just do some dumbass lowball. Even though I love the 125, like, hell yeah, I was like, 120 is better. He was like, yeah, let's do it. So, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, no, I definitely like these joints, man. I believe, and let me know, because I don't know. I think the shoelaces are like 3M. my phone over there. I don't know, but yo, nah, I love these joints, man. Hell yeah. I seen him dismantle my Knicks. You know what I'm saying? Come to New York, LeBron. Come to New York. Not that he would, but yeah, man. Damn. These joints tough though, boy. I like them, man. I like them. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So, yo, shout out to you again. And boom, I forgot. I had another unboxing. I got another one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Funny story behind this one. You probably don't want to hear it. No, what happened was, yeah, I went downtown today and I got back and I seen it was a note in my mailbox saying that, boom, they left this at apartment. So I got back about 3 something. It's like, it's about to be, it better not be about to be 9, bro. Nah, it can't be. Well, I'm thinking it's about to be 8, hopefully. Whatever. Damn, I gotta get outside. Anyway, yo, it said go to pick up my package. Boom, I go to it's an older guy, you know what I'm saying? So he should be there. He not there. So I'm like, all right, go in, eat something, come back. I went like 3 times, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't shoot this video until he got home, you know? So damn. But anyway, yo, this came from X-Gear 101. Use my discount code WAVY, save 20%. Shout out to Jay, I appreciate it. X-Gear also got that Boss clothing. Well, you see that muscle? No, I'm just playing, barely. All right, bam, okay. Got him. First tee, got that Boss Bear. White joint. White tee is a white tee. Got something for them. Ooh, got something if you want to do them bronze, baby. Also those Huaraches. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this one. Bro, what we doing? What we doing out here? What we doing out here? Yeah. What we doing out here? All right. Hell yeah. Now I can definitely see me pumping this come wintertime because I'm going to throw something over it. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm going to do this, but definitely. Hey, yo, shout out to Jay, boy, for real. Damn. Great minds think alike. I appreciate it, yo. Again, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Boom, got the joint right here again. We got the Summer in Miami. Damn, it's like he brawling me up. You know what I'm saying, pause. And then we got the white joint. Hell yeah, so that's it right there. Boom, tell me what you think about these joints. Tell me what you think about this pickup for $120. I don't think you could beat that, man, word up. And when I show you that on feet, you know what I'm saying? Report the bridge for blow up. We're gonna do the on feet right now. If y'all like this vid, hit that like button. You made it this far. If you don't like it, yeah, hit the unlike button, but you still clicked on my shit. Well, anyway, yeah, let me know what y'all think. Shout out to Cincinnati Soul again, word. And I guess that's about it. Got another pickup, so that's why I'm kind of in a rush. But yo, report a bridge for blow up. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that Snups.
Step off.
It's your boy Wavy. You already noticed my channel, I'ma store at your beat. Stay tuned for the on feet, top 5 on foot on YouTube, boy.
You think so?
Ow.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
I'm from the north side, the poor side of north side. See niggas that was Muslim, so hungry, eating pork rinds. 5 bitch wants you oversleep when it's court time. You hustle graveyard shifts, saving up for the Porsche ride. They killed your right hand, you got laid like a floor job. The cops raided mama house and riot gear like it's wartime. Kicking doors so much shit, we ain't even got no door now. Felt the Uzi and brother room today, these niggas felt the 4-5. No, they booked both of us. Put me in the Cobra clutch, threw me in the wagon wearing boxers, it was cold as fuck. My just go to hell for me. Kill Boo, he tried to tell on me. For the Uncle Sour car, Shannon up, she got the bell money. Welcome to the jungle, shit, we run off the bad boom.
King Chip, extra fresh, put that on my mama now. Light skin with the men's chilling right beside of him. Booty California, shout out to my cousin Jonathan. He been in jealous whole life, now he out here trying to win. Yeah, I'm swagging like Deion Sanders. When he had the jury curling all the answers, they gon' talk about the king until the end of time. If I keep breath up in my lungs, and bitch, you know I'm finna grind. King Chip worth more than Wells Fargo. Put Put the blunt out on the glass in the marble. Here this nigga go, so full of himself. Oh God, give me head, bitch. Blow job better than no job. She love the way I don't care. Wanna get married to me. Watching news in Cleveland, scarier than scary movie. Smoking in my hotel at the Ritz, trying not to ass on tits. However you feel about Chip Show ain't gonna change all this.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas.
Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip, it's a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather. So don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't bout to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or Repub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked.
Yo, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like, fuck Cali. That nigga let you know.